What's up, guys? So I wanted to make a video for you guys and kind of talk about, okay, if you missed the move in the market, that's okay. It's not the end of the world. But let's kind of go over how you could have shifted some things and made it happen, right? Okay, so first things first. Initially, we had a sell signal right here. That was the first instance to tell us to get into the trade. Okay. So we had sell signals here, just your standard sell signals. And then we actually had some A plus sell signals yesterday, last night. So at midnight here was A plus sell signal on the 15-minute. And then we had all these A plus sell signals printing here on the 15-minute all the way up until 8:15. And then squeeze fired. And then boom, we had a nice move down. So this actually ended up being around 400 points. Now, personally, I put out a message this morning saying I'm not looking at the charts. I don't feel well, and so I kind of backed off, and now I'm feeling a bit better. So I want to come on and make this video to hopefully help you guys out. But especially with those with the indicator package, this was a very clean cut trade. 15-minute A plus sell signals showing on the 15-minute, uh, indicated by these gold arrows. Okay. I plot it as gold because they're the gold signals, right? And then if I go to ES, even if you weren't looking at NQ, we actually had sell signals going into at the same time on the 15-minute and the 30-minute. So we had sell signals there too. A plus, both of them. A plus sell signals, A plus sell signal here as well. So we had all those sell signals working for us yesterday and then into the open today, and you would have caught this big flush down. Like, okay, I never would have held that long. Okay, well, let's take a look back at NQ, and this is where the trailing stop comes in. So this will be helpful for you with those with the indicator package, or the trailing stop in general. We drop down to maybe a 3-minute. Okay, you can see here that the 3-minute, we had this sell off. Oh, one moment. Come on now. There we go. Okay, so you can see here when the market opened, well, that last sell signal was at 8:15-ish, so right around here. So all this time here, you could have been entering the trade, the squeeze fired off, and then now all you had to do was trail it based off that 3-minute ATR trailing stop. So you would have gotten entry somewhere around 19,700, and then profit target would be you would have ended up getting out around almost 400 points lower. Okay. And we just shifted there. If you want to be more conservative, let's check out the 2-minute. Okay. You can see here. Oh, we're doing that thing again, right? One moment, one moment. Okay. Any day here. So let's see. Wow, this is crazy. Oh, I see. Okay, I'm grabbing the wrong one. Okay, so you can see here, we had those sell signals up here, and it held the trailing stop the entire time. Okay, the entire time, all the way down to this low. It would have been relatively the same return. But you can see here, even if you missed those moves and you wanted to scalp off the 2-minute, boom, A plus sell signals, A plus sell signals, A plus sell signals, all the way down. Okay, that's how you could have caught this move. Let's take a look at ES. And you can see here, it held that ATR trailing stop pretty much all the way to almost the lows. So that was a beautiful move as well. Easy way to trail your profits. You just drop down to that lower time frame, and all this is included with the package. So the sell signals that came, those are included, and then your trade management stuff, you are set completely. Now let's look at some stuff that actually might be setting up here. So something that I am paying attention to, I would like to get a pullback. We'll see if it happens. We might be getting it now. But the XLV chart, okay, we've got a bull score of 9 out of 10. So that one looks excellent. We've got green trend bars on the daily time frame. We've got the momentum on the right side. That squeeze is fired off. We've got stacked EMAs. We've got all these good things working for us, okay? And then we have buy signals. One, we just had a buy signal here on the fifth or the hourly, and it just fired off. And then we go to the 30-minute, and you can see we have buy signals printing right now. I need a little bit of a pullback to enter, possibly at the support I'd like to enter. And then we can look for a move for a break above 150 and potentially back into that high. So XLV, for whatever reason, money's rotating into this and it looks strong. And we seem to be bouncing off this support here and trying to make a move higher. So that's one to keep an eye on and keep on watch. Another sector, or well, I'll give you a stock pick here. So this is a super random stock. We've got key resistance up here, but you can see the strength that we've had. We had earnings come out and we've just been off to the races ever since. So this is one that I'm keeping on watch. It's got a buy signal on the daily time frame. And we are coming up on this resistance here. So if we break this resistance right here, right around 14.25, if we break that, we should be able to get to 16.50 and then ultimately up into that $20 area. So keep an eye on that. That is a setup that I'm watching. I may potentially take an entry here and be okay with a pullback and add on the pullback because this is very strong. It looks like it comes and almost touches the 21 EMA every few days, but we could be getting a breakout at any point here. So that's another one. And then the last thing I'm gonna give to you guys is the weekly time frame here for XBI. So this is biotech ETF. We're breaking out of this range that we've been creating for a while. And now we've got this high here. If we can take that out, potentially looking for move back to 110. Right now we're trading at around $100, so about a 10% move in the stock. This is a weekly signal, so I'm going to give it until Friday before I start acting on anything. But I do like this. I think there's strong potential to the upside. It looks like it's ignoring the market and kind of moving with healthcare. So I hope this helps. Thank you guys for watching. And if you want the indicator set where it's got all the buy and sell signals, the trailing stop, the profit targets, all that stuff built into it, the trend bars, all that stuff, just simply, I'll put the link below and you can sign up and take advantage of it. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.